Well, my name's Gabriel. Rhymes with Bill, and welcome my house. Yeah, come on in. It won't be for a while. Your fucking time. But anyways, welcome to my place. Well, it's back up, Jamie. It's not actually really my place. It's just a rental. But if you put that in the video, I would not be happy with that. Good. Anyways, come on in. I've got a lot of artwork and plants, because, I love drawing and plants and, women. Hey, don't mind that door, it's my roommate. I've been waiting for you for a while now, and, I figured I'd get some prep going, get back in the kitchen. And you're supposed to keep an eye on it, bro. Oh, wait here a second. Get back in the kitchen, dog. And, yeah, no, funny, bro. Back in there. You know the micro's been weird again. Sorry about that. He's a bit of a jokester. He likes to dress up and stuff. Anyways, come on. Middle name's right over here. You shut up, man. Back in the kitchen. And, yeah, come on, sit down and get this interview underway. And, just got some food prepped in the kitchen and stuff. Just some easy shit. Just real, it's also just microwave stuff, Food, bowl, fork and all, the usual. What? Well, you ain't right there. What? We're not supposed to be... Was I not supposed to put the fork in there with everything? Oh, sounds like it's done. Wait, is it done, bro?
Man, your food's ready.
Oh, thanks, man. You just spray your camera, I'll be right back. Probably smack that fucking microwave around, because you're a bitch again.